Today, you stand here no longer as ordinary civilians, but as disciplined and purpose-driven individuals, ready to wear the uniform with honor and integrity. Let me congratulate each one of you for successfully handling the Public Safety Basic Recruit Course.
It is with great honor and warm sincerity that I welcome all of you to this special gathering. The recognition rights of the Public Safety Basic Recruit Course RTC 12 Batch 2024-01, proudly known as Magsinliao.
Your journey thus far has not been easy. You have endured physical challenges, mental rigors, and moral testing. But more importantly, you have emerged stronger, not just in body, but in spirit and character. Training staff of PRTC 12, thank you for molding these young individuals into promising public servants here today. Your role as mentors, trainers, and models is indispensable to the future of our police force. To the families and loved ones, thank you for your support and understanding. Your encouragement has fueled their perseverance, and your pride today is well earned.
It is only fitting that we also honor the families and loved ones who have walked with them from afar. Kayo po ang tahimik na bayani sa likod ng bawat training. Your love, encouragement, and sacrifices are part of every step they have taken. Kayo rin po ay nararapat na kilalanin at pasalamatan ng buong puso.
On my count, 3, 2, 1, execute! Execute!
The 01 Alpha to Delta. This is only the beginning. Continue to pay the flame of service, honor, and justice as you take the road less traveled. Be the kind of police officers our people can rely on, trust, and look up to. May you never forget why you chose this path, and may you always walk with dignity and courage. Let us all be bearers of truth and catalysts of change. Congratulations! Mabuhay tayong lahat. Mabuhay ang Philippine National Police. Mabuhay ang sambayang Pilipino. Thank you and God bless us all.